Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It should be Metchy like Leche here with another episode of It's Toys and Things. And today's video is going to focus on opening up a toddler time doll, which is kind of like a reborn type doll, baby doll type doll, because I seem to be getting into these dolls lately. Like I need to be getting into any more dolls to be collecting. But yeah, so let's just roll my intro and get to it. Alrighty, everyone. So, please forgive any shakiness. I am filming this with one hand because I'm going to need the other to open this up. So, if you are new to my channel, what I do is, oh, by the way, welcome if you're new. But if you're new to my channel, what I do is I open up the box or the product so you don't have to see me struggle with that. Because, you know, that could take forever sometimes, so I like to have it open. But I do not look at the product if at all possible, because I like my reactions to be genuine on camera for my audience to hear and or see, so that you guys know how I truly feel about the product, to be very honest with everyone. So I have not peeled back this paper yet, and I have not taken a look at this doll. In fact, I completely kind of forgot what I even ordered or what she even looked like, because I just ordered a Paradise Gallery doll, and I did a video on that, so check that video out as well. Alright, so what I'm going to do is peel back this paper. Now, mind you, this paper is thick, and it would be hard for me to peel back and do a review, because I'll have to do a quick cut through and then do a more proper review. Alright, so let me just quit jabbing my jaws, and let's get to see what my reaction is on this Adora Toddler Time doll. And by the way, I've been getting these dolls from Amazon. Oh, no. I got one from the Adora website and one from Amazon. Alrighty, so here we go. Oh, wow. Look at that big bow. That is a big pink bow. And look at her face and her legs and her outfit. Alrighty, everyone. So, first impressions, I'm really liking her, but let's kind of get her out of the box so I can see more, because like I said, this paper will not stay peeled back for me to give a review. So through the magic of editing, I'll be back in 1 second. Alrighty, everyone, we're back as promised, and I went ahead and took her fully out of the box and have her sitting on my couch so that we can get a better look at her. And I also took the fishnet that was wrapped around her head and her hair, so you'd have to see me struggle with that, trying to do that with one hand. So my first impressions are that she's totally adorable. I mean, super cute. So we're going to zoom in a little bit and get a closer look. Her outfit here is high quality. Very, like this right here is very thick. It's detailed. Her ribbon's very big, very pretty. Her face is absolutely adorable. Love her brown hair because it kind of reminds me of me as a baby. It is short in the back. You can't hardly see it there, but you can see its length right there. Her headband is totally just so cute. It just matches everything. And her arms and hands are in this shape. She does have painting on her nails and also the painting across her face. We'll get a better look at that in a second. And she also has these cute socks with these cute satin flat slippers. I'm really liking the socks and slippers deal. And let's go back up to her face. She has the most adorable brown eyes. These are rooted lashes, and I know they say that it is hand painted, or the doll is hand painted. So yeah, her face paint is done really well. Like I said, the outfit is super quality. She does have bloomers and a real diaper underneath the bloomers. I did notice that my Paradise Gallery doll did not have a real diaper. I do want to do a comparison between the Paradise Gallery doll and these Adora dolls, because I have two Adora Toddler Time dolls and one Paradise Gallery toddler doll. I really want to do a comparison. One thing I definitely do not like about these Adora dolls is that their legs, which is kind of why she's sitting in this weird position, like do not really fold up where she can like actually sit and be in a full sitting position. It's like really tight to get them to sit all the way. I don't like that. The Paradise Gallery doll, she sat like a breeze, but these Adora dolls do not. So other than that, I guess I would say my main complaint, but I do plan on doing a nice comparison video between the two types of toddler dolls. So all in all, I would definitely recommend this doll. About 9 out of 10, if only for the sitting issue. But for everything else, she is totally, totally adorable, as you can see. Just look at that beautiful, beautiful face. So other than that, I am definitely happy with this doll. And yeah, I plan on buying them clothes and maybe some little baby furniture to keep them in. It's going to be real fun with these types of dolls. But other than that, this is a short video, so I really have nothing else much to say. So thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're not already subscribed, please do so, because I do everything from these types of dolls to other collector dolls to other types of toys, modern, vintage, toy shows, toy talks, just a whole nine that deals with toys and dolls. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!